Buenos días, amigos and amigas. We're the Psychotics and we're here to present cooking show. Cooking show. Snack time with Mr. Chan. Mr. Chan, oh Mr. Chan. Come, come.
Welcome to the Snack Time with Mr. Chan show. Today I'm your host Kevin Chan and with my assistant. Today we're gonna make nachos called nachos de luchos. So the first step is get the ingredients first. We're gonna make the mayonnaise. It needs 2 large eggs, vegetable oil, vinegar, salt, and spice. Um, First, the we need to get the egg yolk from the 2 large eggs and put it in a large bowl. Then beat it swiftly until it became soggy. Add while beating, add 1 drop of vegetable oil and 1 drop of vinegar. While beating, add also salt and spice.
Sige, wag kayo kakain.
There. Then beat it for mostly 1 hour because it needs to be battered until it becomes hard to mix. Because that's really the process of making a mayonnaise. We will set it aside. So the finished product and no the we're going to add ketchup also for some taste. For some additional taste and flavor of the mayonnaise. See? We're going to set this aside. Then the finished product of the mayonnaise is like this. Again, patusok. It's the finished product. Next, for the nachos, 1 pack of nachos, mayonnaise, lettuce, tomatoes, can be chopped or full. Anything you want. You can add um, top on like cheese, chocolate, and other recipes you want like corned beef like that, etc. So this so this our finished product of the nachos de muchos like that. Hey, these are here home.